Okay, over here, guys.
ข้างล่างนั่นเลย
เจ้าขอบคุณเจ้า everybody, more veggies. You are here with me in Thailand. Okay, of course, more veggies here. You're gonna be famous. Okay, come this way, please. Okay, closer, closer. Everybody, let's start with this one. Okay, go grab this one, guys. Okay, do you have any idea what this one is?
Green aubergine.
Thai aubergine, Thai eggplant.
Ones
Those are all Thai eggplants. They are not purple, they are green. Used to make Thai curries, everyone. Green and red curry, everybody. Very crunchy and sweeter than the purple eggplant, everybody. You see, they are tiny, they're small. And you see? So cute. Yeah, very cute. These ones. Same but different varieties. Okay, go grab this one, everybody. There we go. Sorry, we eat them as well. Yeah. Anyway, the flavor is bitter. But we eat them, yeah. Hard, yeah, very hard and bitter. Yeah, we eat them, yeah. We use them to make curries, even. Green, red, and panang. They're bitter, so we cook them to reduce the bitterness, everyone. Very hard, yeah. Right, cook longer, yeah. Ivan, the truck is behind you, yeah. Be careful, everybody. They are tiny, adorable, but the flavor is not adorable. Cute, sorry, bitter, everybody. We cook it first, everyone. Have you guys seen these eggplants in your countries? No, maybe special market only. Thai market, like Asian market, everyone. And what is this one? Right here. Look at the stem, everybody. Aubergine, more eggplant, everybody. You guys see there are many type of eggplant in Thailand, and they are green, not purple, everybody.
Can you freeze them?
Which one?
Any.
We never freeze them.
Never freeze
No, just put in the fridge only. Okay. So everybody in Thai cooking, we prefer the green ones. They are more crunchy, good to make Thai curries. The purple one is way too soft. It's not good to make Thai curry, everybody. And what about this one? Go grab this one. Okay, grab these. What are these, everybody? Beans. What bean are these? Long beans, yeah, simple name. Long beans, everybody. They are longer than the shorter beans. Can you get long beans easily in England? Shorter one, maybe easier?
Same as the green beans.
We grow runner beans.
Yeah, but not the long one. Shorter? Yeah, shorter bean.
Long but thicker.
Thicker, right. Everybody, yeah, these are like Asian bean, long beans, everybody. Crunchy. Used to make salad, papaya salad, everybody. This bean, very common here for the soup, for the stir fry as well, everybody. And the next one, everybody, is over here. Go grab this one, everybody. There you go. What is this one? Bok choy is over there. Yeah. Bok choy over there. Kale. Morning glory is over there. This is kale, everybody. In your country, you have regular kale. In Thailand, we have this one Chinese kale, everybody. We also call this one Chinese broccoli. You see the flowers? They look like broccoli, everybody, for pad see ew and for the like soups as well, everybody. And you see the leaves are flat, not the curly one, everybody.
Chinese broccoli and Chinese kale.
Same, yeah. And can I get those back with the brown mushroom, yeah, please. And one more, please. And one more, that one. Another one, that one. Go grab this one, everybody. And what are these?
Pig's ear.
Ear mushroom, yeah. Actually, these are wood ear mushroom, everybody. It's very chewy, yeah. It feels like a skin, everybody. It's used in Thai cooking for the salad and for the soup and for Chinese cooking, for the Chinese hot pot as well, everybody.
Strong flavour or not?
No, light, very light. For the texture, only we want texture. Yeah. And what is this one? What mushroom are these, everybody? Can you guess? Do you know oyster mushroom? These are king oyster. King oyster mushroom. So these mushrooms are for your soup today. It has more like flavorful than the ear one, everybody. Can you put this one back? Thank you. Can you get ear mushroom in your countries?
You can.
Dry one, maybe?
Yeah.
The hard one? The black one? And this is the fresh one, a dry one. Yeah, dry one. What about those mushroom? King oyster? Yeah, you can get.
You get sliced
Slice. Oh yeah, it's in the can or
Yeah,
something
yeah,
like
in the can,
that. Yeah. And moreover, everybody, in the winter time, we grill bamboo here. The old one, yeah, over there. And the last one from here, everybody. So over here, do you know what this one is? The whole thing like this. This is a soup set, everybody. Soup set. This is for every Thai soup, everybody. If you would like to do Thai soup back home, you need this one, this set, everyone. Do you guys still remember what this one is over here? The long one here? Lemongrass, right? What about the yellow one? Another one? Turmeric. Yeah, turmeric. What about the big one here, everybody? What ginger? Thai ginger, galango, everybody. What about the leaves? What are these leaves, guys? Kaffir lime leaves, everybody. Can you give me one price? How much do you think per one set, everyone?
For one set.
Yeah, or for the whole thing, yeah.
40 baht.
40? Way too high, lower.
10.
5, little lower. 7. 7 baht. You can make big portion, like 2 or 3 portion, everybody. I mean, this is the local price, not the foreigners one. It could be higher than that, everybody. All right. Do you have any question about the market? Okay, I'll let you walk around 10 minutes, everybody. Everything has been prepared for you in the kitchen, everyone. Okay, you can grab some.
Come on and cook with me. That is Scenic. Come on and cook with me. That is Scenic. I wanna teach you how to cook. We gonna have a great time. You're gonna cook like a real time. That is Scenic. That is Scenic. Come on and cook with me. That is Scenic. Come on and cook with me. That is Scenic. I wanna teach you how to cook. We gonna have a great time. You're gonna cook like a real time. That is Scenic. That is Scenic. Come on and cook with me. That is Scenic. Come on and cook with me. That is Scenic.
Whose idea to cook today? Yeah, wow. For 9 of you, is same family?
2 families.
2 family.
Traveling together.
And the kids agree to cook.
The kids
No choice.
will be cooking.
The kids
It's all very good to learn what goes into the food.
kids love to cook. Kids no choice.
Kids not sure. Kids not too fond of spicy.
Okay, that's fine. If you cannot cook Thai food, you cannot back to UK.
Come on and cook with me. That is Scenic. Come on and cook with me. That is